Hey everyone, I am Sahil and you are watching Infotech Programmer. So today we will see how to speed up your Windows 10, that how to boost your Windows 10 performance. So let's get started. First of all, the first step is to delete all the temporary files. For that, what we will do here, we will click on this window and we will search percentage temp percentage. And then you will see this folder, you have to open this and then you have to clear these all files. So we will use Ctrl A to select all and then we will delete them. So we will delete all the files here. So after deleting all the files, your temporary files will be empty, so your computer can be fast. The next way to fasten up your PC is disk cleanup. For that you have to go to this PC and then in C drive right click and then properties, and then here you can go on journal, and in journal disk cleanup you will click here and then you will click here and then see what things are there to delete, like thumbnails are there, like many more things will be there for you, so you have to delete them. So like I am selecting the things and then I am clicking on OK and then delete files. So it will delete all the temporary files, recycle bin files and all the things that we don't need. So remember, while deleting these things, never select your download folder because your download folder have the downloaded things. And now the next step is delete all temporary files. As we have deleted all temporary files from here using temp, but still we have to delete more temporary files. So we'll go here in settings. In settings, what we will open our system, and in system we will go here in our storage. So here you can see the temporary files section. You have to just click on here and then it will load the temporary files after scanning. So what you have to do is, it is loading right now. After loading all the files, it will tell us to remove the files. So yes, we have to remove the files, not the download section because it have our personal downloads. Other than that, we can remove other files by clicking on remove files. So you can see here it is removing it, and after removing our all temporary files will be deleted. And then our next step is defragment and optimize disk drives. For that, what we have to do is, we have to again go to our disk PC and then C drive, right click and then properties. Here you will go to tools, and in tools you can check here, optimize option. You can click on this optimize option, so it will show us that if we want to optimize them or not. So we have to optimize these drives, like mostly we optimize this C drive. So my drive is already optimized here 27 days ago. My drive is always optimizing after 30 days. So you have to optimize also these drives by clicking on it and then clicking on optimize, and then it will optimize. And now the next step is limit startup processes. For limiting the startup processes, what you have to do is, you have to open taskbar. For taskbar, you can use shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. It will open your taskbar. And here in the taskbar, you have to go here on startup. And in startup, you have to disable the things that you don't want to start at the time of your starting of the window. So I will disable this Adobe collaboration synchronization and many more things I had already disabled here. You can also disable here. Remember, don't disable the Microsoft things like audio manager, Windows security, notification. These are important, but you can disable all other things that are not important. It will save you a lot of time. It will also stop to process the things at the startup. And then the next thing is change power settings to high performance to optimize speed. So for that, what we will do here, we will again go to settings. So this thing is done here. Now we will go on system and then in system power and sleep, and here we can select here additional power settings, and in the additional power settings you have to select here on the another one. The another part here will be your high performance, but it is showing something else for the gaming mode because I had installed something else here. But you will see here high performance, so you have to select here on the high performance. Instead of balance, you will select here high performance. And if you will select the high performance, then what will happen, it will just use more power for your computer or laptop so that your things can run efficiently. I am using balance because my computer is not providing me any problem, but you can make it to high performance. So these were the steps. By using these, you can boost up your Windows 10. Other than that, what you can do is, you have to see your here services. You will search here services, and then you will open the services, and here you can see the services that are running, and you can disable or you can stop the services that you don't want to run. Like I don't want to run this update service, so I will stop this. So what it will happen, like if we are using our computer, so processes are going on in the back. You can see here there are a lot of processes. Why? Because many of the services are on. So if you will disable some of the services that you don't want from here, then your computer can be fast. So in the last, what you have to do is, if you can't fasten up your computer still now, then what you have to do is you have to buy a SSD or a RAM. So what is a RAM? You can see here. Let me open the processes here. Performance tab. So you can see here. First of all, there is a CPU. The CPU that is in your laptop or a computer that will work here for your processes. Other than that, you have a memory. Like I have a memory of 12 GB. Earlier I was having 4 GB of RAM. Then what was happening, like I was opening a Chrome and then I was opening Visual Studio Code, and I can't run them together. Why? Because memory was full there. All the memory of 4 GB was used there. So I upgraded this by adding a 8 GB RAM. So now it is 4 plus 8, 12 GB of RAM. Then it is fast, but still it was not so much fast. Why? Because it was not loading the things properly at right time. So then I had used their SSD. Instead of HDD, I had used SSD. What is HDD? HDD is hard disk drive that comes with your laptop or computer. The latest laptops come with HDD, but the old laptops were coming with HDD. So must buy a laptop with SSD, or you can add your SSD in the empty slot given in your laptop or CPU. So after using SSD, what will happen? It will fasten up your computer. Why? Because its read and write speed is more than hard disk drive. That's why. So you can buy the SSD for your computer or laptop according to your wish, and you can buy the RAM also. If you are facing the problem of memory, then your computer will be definitely fast. So this was all about the fastening of a Windows. So you can also use these steps in Windows 7, Windows XP. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep going.